Hey guys, my name is Salieu. I'm a digital marketer and also a mobile geek. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add a clickable link in your Facebook status. But we can only do that with the help of Instagram. How we can do that? First, you need to take like a photo or one of your YouTube thumbnail, alright? You post it on your Instagram status. Okay, but before you post it into your Instagram status, after you export it from your gallery, you need to tap on stickers. Okay, you scroll down and tap a link, then you paste the link. You can copy the link first anywhere, any sort of link server, whether it's one of your YouTube link or the link you take it from FB, any link server. Okay, you can simply paste it there. After pasting it into your IG status, then you can simply share that IG status, okay, into your Facebook status. It's super easy, guys. Okay, I know like explaining this may look a little bit weird, but just make sure to watch it full video. You will understand exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, well,
first let me go to my YouTube and copy any link. All right, so then go to my Instagram. Let me just try to open my Instagram page. Then go to the status and post a status, then go to the stickers and tap on link. All right, so yeah, this is this one. So I'm tapping now to stickers up there, then tap on link. All right, after that I paste the link of the video that I want, then done. I just need to save this one. All right, so yeah, after saving it, then as you see, guys, I need to place this this link that I copied. Okay, I need to place it anywhere I want on the photo. All right, so that anyone who tap on this one, it will straight away take him to my YouTube. So that is it. I just need to save this one. All right, then guess what? After saving it, I just need to copy this one straight away. After saving this story, guys, I just need to share this story to my Facebook page. All right, so that is it. I need to tap on share to Facebook story, guys. Just exercise little patience. Yeah, already share to Facebook story. Okay, so let me go now to my Facebook page and show you guys. So yeah, as you see, guys, it already shared there. So this is my Facebook. All right, so if I tap on this one, as you see, visit link, if I tap on there, it will straight away take me to my YouTube channel. All right, I need to tap on I'm not a robot, then submit. Yeah, that is it. So as you see, guys, it's already open. All right, so I opened this video through on my Facebook story.
It's all about the tutorial, guys. It's so simple and it is very straightforward, and the video is so short. So if this is your first time, guys, to check out my channel, please make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. All right, peace.